We are going to take a look at these heavy duty all steel construction car dollies. So the first question you're going to ask is, why would I need something like this? Well, what's really cool about this is you're going to jack your vehicle up and you're going to slide these underneath the wheels. They are V-shaped, so it's not going to be able to pop out of it or anything. And it makes it extremely easy to move that car around. So say you've got a car that's not running, a car that you're working on. You can actually move it around your shop and move it into different locations, especially if you're in a shop setting, like a real automotive shop, and you have certain locations with certain instruments that you need to get to, but the car isn't running fully. Put it on this, and you can get it around to those locations really easily. You can push anything from a regular car to a light truck, and a light truck to me is going to be like an F-150, a Chevy 1500. It's going to be a half-ton truck, because these actually work up to about 6,000 pounds. So at 6,000 pounds, that's going to cover most vehicles, unless you get up into your F-350s and things like that with the big diesel engines. Now they may be a little bit of overkill for this set, but everything else, these are going to work pretty well. You can also put SUVs on it. You can do UTVs. You can do all kinds of things. I like the fact that it goes 360 extremely easy. The bearings are super smooth. And if you notice, every one of the wheels has a lock. Now, it's hard to do it here because they are a strong lock. You're generally going to do it with your foot and lock that into place. And you can lock all four wheels so it's not going anywhere. I actually love them. I think they're going to be a great addition to my workshop. You're not going to go wrong with these. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up a set today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.